In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a release on GitHub. Whether you're a seasoned developer or new to using GitHub, understanding how to properly manage and share your code through releases is essential for version control and collaboration. So let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible for you. To begin, you'll need to first open your repository. Make sure you're signed in to your GitHub account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the repository where you want to create a release. You should see all your repositories listed on your dashboard if you're managing multiple projects. So simply click on the one you're interested in. This brings you to the main page of the repository, which is essentially the central hub for your project's code. Once you have the repository open, the next step is to access the releases page. You can find this either on the right side of the repository's main view or nested within the repository tabs at the top. Look for the option labeled Releases and click on it. This takes you to a page dedicated to handling the releases of your project. On the Releases page, you'll find a button that says Draft a New Release. Go ahead and click on that to begin creating your new release. Now it's time to create or select a tag for this release. Tags are incredibly useful because they essentially serve as snapshots of your project's code at specific points in time. In the Choose a Tag field that appears, you have two options. You can either select an existing tag from the drop-down menu, or type in a new tag name if you're introducing a new version. For instance, if you're rolling out significant changes or improvements, you might create a new tag like v1.0 or v2.1. If you're adding a new tag, rest assured that GitHub will handle the creation of this tag automatically if it doesn't already exist. Once you've settled on a tag for your release, the next crucial step is to add some detailed release information. In this section, you'll need to provide a release title, which should concisely convey what this version of the release is all about. Just beneath the title, you'll see an area for a description or release notes. This is where you get a chance to elaborate on what changes or updates have been made in this release. For example, your release notes could include entries like added dark mode, fixed login issue, or improved dashboard performance. Taking the time to document these changes clearly is invaluable for both your future self and collaborators who rely on your project. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully created a release on GitHub. This process improves code management and facilitates efficient collaboration by providing a clear record of changes over time. Keep exploring and happy coding.